Welcome to Web Plus 2, the follow-up program to Web Plus 1. My name is Felicity and I'm going to briefly walk you through the features of Edmodo, the tool we will use to discover, share and connect across this program. So what is Edmodo? Edmodo is basically a virtual classroom. It's our own private space online where you will have free access to all of our Web Plus 2 coursework in a library, where you can interact with me and other program participants and where you can explore the applications we examine and submit your weekly tasks. It's important to note that our Edmodo classroom will be completely exclusive to program participants. It is a private social network. I administer the invites and facilitate class memberships, so there's no need to worry about work or comments being published online for all to see. You will also notice a little later that you as a student have a good deal of control over who sees your content, and you can elect to keep comments and uploads completely private between you and myself should you so wish. Firstly, I will show you how to register, and then we'll take a look at some of the features of Edmodo and how you'll be able to use it in the coming weeks. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to www.edmodo.com. Every week you'll need to go to this site and sign in to explore the week's coursework and submit your tasks. Okay, to register, make sure you have your group code, which should be supplied to you in our first email on hand. It consists of letters and numbers. You will need this to sign in as a student. First thing we do is click the I'm a Student button. Enter the group code. Okay, then you choose a username and password. The username does need to be unique. It doesn't really matter what it is though, because there is the first name and last name field, so I will still know who you are. Oh, that one's taken. Let's try this. You can also elect to enter your email address. This isn't required though, so that's completely optional. Once you've put in your information, click sign up, and it's as simple as that. The group code grants you access to our Web Plus 2 classroom, so don't forget it. If you do, just give me a call or an email and I'll supply it to you once again. As you can see, our Edmodo account looks a little like a Facebook profile. All the navigation links rest in the topmost toolbar up here, and also on the navigation menu on the left-hand side. When you're logged in, you'll be able to see any activity that occurs in our class immediately in your feed. Anything of high importance or direct relevance to you will appear in the notifications field on the top right-hand side. Firstly, we'll take a brief look at some of the features you will use across the coming weeks. In the top toolbar, you'll see 3 links to calendar, grades, and library. The calendar is where you can input important dates and events. Any dates and events I have set for Web Plus 2 can also be seen here to make it easier for you to track your process. So you can see there's one there. Grades is a list of the classes of which you're a member. From here, you can click on your class and you'll be redirected to a page that lists all your activity with that class to this date. Finally, we have library. Your library is where you can store links and content. You have access to all the coursework from Web Plus 2 and you can upload any useful files for your own use. Your backpack is your own private storage place, so you can upload files from your computer as well as links to useful websites and web applications, making all this content accessible from any internet point. Most importantly, you'll be able to access all the coursework for your Web Plus 2 program. In the folders that are shared with me, there will be a link to our classroom library. This blue link down here, click this. As you can see, there is a tab called Web Plus 2. Click that and your folder will appear. And all the weekly coursework is in this folder for you to browse at leisure. Every week over the course of the program, I will set an assignment. The assignment will contain a link to the week's coursework and outline a specific task for you to complete. When I have set an assignment, you will receive a notification in your feed. You can also view any assignments by clicking the assignments link on the left-hand side navigation bar. Okay, so this shows you both complete and incomplete assignments. When you receive an assignment, make sure you click the blog links to read through the coursework. So as you can see, we've just got one assignment pending in our list with no complete assignments. So when you receive an assignment, you just have to click on the links to the blog coursework, read through at leisure. Then when you're ready to respond, go back to your Edmodo screen and you click Turn In. So from here, you can submit your responses. You type in any answers to questions, any comments you might like to make, or ask me some questions. And then you can also attach any files and links that you deem necessary. Once you're ready, you just click Turn in Assignment and it's done. If you wanted to make any amendments, you just have to click the Resubmit the Assignment button and you can add or delete at will. Okay, so finally, there is also an option to send direct messages within the classroom, which is useful if you have any questions or comments that you wanted to make. So you would click the direct link on the left-hand menu and type in your message in the post field. Then you indicate who you want to send to and click Send. Direct messages can only be accessed and replied to by the indicated recipients. When you receive a reply, you'll get a notification in your notifications field. So that always stays up in that corner there, and you can also view that on your feed page or your home page. Okay, so that's a very brief synopsis of the most prevalent features on Edmodo. The best way to get a feel for the functions is to try them for yourself. So I encourage you to sign up, log in and explore a little. Remember to call or email me if you need any help or have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you.